Assassins. You know what it is. I just wanted to go over these real quick, nothing too long. I saw these on Squatch, and I got the subscription, and I was like, oh, let's try them. You know what I'm saying? They sell them in a set. I don't know how much it is. You'll see. I'm not gonna promote it because I'm not sponsored by Squatch. So just go to their website and you'll see there's a set. But if you got the subscription and you get enough bars, you can get the set. So let's first start off with Incredible Hulk. The Incredible Hulk, it says Scrub Smash, Gamma Amino Acid, Heavy Grit. It smells like, I don't know what the hell that smells like. I don't know what that smell like. It says incredible smashing and metaphoric, just like a Squatch man should be. Jade Giant. And then it says experience the embodiment of pure strength with notes of fresh cucumber and green spice. I guess it does have a little spice to it. So let's open it up real quick and see what we got going on. Yo, that looks kind of like radioactive. Let's move these over. That don't look too bad. That doesn't look too bad. Let's give you a closer look at it. It's kind of, okay. All right, that's that one. Thor. Feel the thunder of your fingertips with scents of fresh spice and musk undertone. That one smells kind of like a cool water, like. Sort of close. This one's a darker one. This one reminds me of the color's a little bit lighter than their pine tar. But yeah, that smells pretty good. Pretty decent, pretty decent. Let's see what join the fight for justice with the heroic scents of citrus and cedarwood. Oh no, see, wait a minute, hold on. I thought this one smelled like cool water, but that's more like a red. If y'all ever wore red cologne, that's more like red. This one is more like cool water or Nautica. This one fire. Captain America, huh? Oh yeah, this one kind of reminded me of the Spider-Man one, but the Spider-Man one was a little bit. Yeah, that smell fire. That smell fire. So far, number one, number two, that one I probably won't buy again. This says, harness the brilliance with rich woodsy scents of amber and saffron. Oh yeah, this, I don't know why they did the Hulk dirty. This just smell like soap and little spices, but these are fire. Wait a minute. Captain America smell like some cologne that I done wore before. I mean, Iron Man. It says the start clean. This is fire. Hold on. Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy these showers. That's fire, bro. So if I had to rate it, it would be 1, 2, 3. Ain't never buying that one again. So there you go. You got your 4 bars. Like I said, very short. Ain't nothing too crazy. Number 1, 2, 3. Yeah, won't buy that again. I'll give a review on them after I use them. I'm gonna start with Old Captain, and then I'll do a review of it later on tonight. And then it's gonna probably take me, because these bars usually last me about a week. So it's gonna take me a month to do them. So Captain America this week, Tony next week, Thor the week after that, and then Hulk after that. All right, until next time.